In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change store name in Redbubble. If you feel like your current Redbubble shop name no longer matches your style, brand, or creative direction, changing it can help refresh your store identity and make your profile feel more professional. Whether you are rebranding your artwork, updating your niche, or simply choosing a better name for your shop, this tutorial will guide you through the process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for the Redbubble website. Once the search results appear, click on the official Redbubble page to open the homepage. If you are not already signed into your account, go ahead and log in using your account credentials so you can access your shop settings. After successfully signing in, move toward the top section of the page and locate your profile icon, which also represents your shop account. Click on it to open a drop-down menu containing different account options and settings related to your Redbubble profile. From the menu, select the Account Settings option. This section allows you to manage different parts of your account, including profile information, payment settings, and shop customization features. Once the Account Settings page opens, make sure the Edit Profile section is selected so you can access the correct area for updating your shop details. Now, slowly scroll down through the page until you reach the section that contains your public profile information. Depending on the current layout of the website, this area may appear under Profile Details or Copyright Settings. Within this section, you will find the field where your current shop name is displayed. Click inside the shop name field and carefully enter the new name you would like to use for your Redbubble store. Since this name becomes part of your public brand identity, it is a good idea to choose something clear, memorable, and connected to your artwork or creative style. Take a moment to review the spelling and appearance before continuing. After entering your new shop name, continue scrolling toward the bottom of the page until you find the Save Changes button. Click on it to apply and confirm your updates. This step is important because it finalizes the modifications and updates your live Redbubble store with the new name you selected. Once the changes are saved, your updated shop name will appear on your profile and storefront. A refreshed store identity can help strengthen your branding and create a more polished experience for visitors exploring your artwork. And that's how you can easily change your store name on Redbubble in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.